Okay, I wanted to make a video explaining how to subtract fractions with regrouping because I know that it can be kind of confusing. So when I taught the kids, I started off by talking to them about regrouping with whole numbers. So if we have an example like 42 minus 19, they told me that we cross off the 4 and we make it a 3, and we add a group of 10 to the 2 to make it a 12. And what they need to understand is the reason that we regroup with 10s in whole numbers is because all of our whole numbers are set up in groups of 10. So 10 10s equals a group of 10, or sorry, 10 1s equals a group of 10, 10 10s equals a group of 100, so on and so forth. When we're working with fractions, if we have something like 5½ minus 2 3/4, once they get their common denominator of 4 and they go to subtract, the beginning of the regrouping stays exactly the same. They take away from the whole number, so they're making it a 4. What they're really doing is taking that 4, or the one that they took away, and they're rewriting it as 4/4, because that 4/4 is the same thing as that one that they just took away. So they're not changing the value of this mixed number up here, they're just breaking it apart and decomposing it. So the quick way for the kids to do this is to add the denominator and the numerator together. So that 4 plus 2 is going to give them a numerator of 6. And it just takes a little bit to break the habit of them writing that 10 because that's what they've been doing for so many years. And then the rest of the subtraction stays the same. 6 minus 3 leaves us with 3/4. The 4 minus 2 leaves us with 2 wholes. So we would get a solution of 2 3/4.